Today I will tell you just one simple and easy exercise, which is a yoga exercise which is backed by science and has proven many a people wrong and shown magnificent results for weight loss, especially if you want to lose your belly fat, the upper belly, lower belly, the side belly and the love handles. They just look terrible. But now with this one simple and easy yoga exercise, you can prove it all wrong and finally fit into your dream dress by just doing this exercise every single day. All you have to do is play this video and follow along with me just as I say. Have you ever seen a person who practices yoga is fat or they feel less energetic? No. In fact, without doing any rigorous exercises, they can actually maintain a perfect body shape. And I bring to you one of the gems from this very ancient practice called yoga, which has been lost through the years. But now you can actually do it with a simple variation sitting on a chair with the same effective results. Now it's time to say bye-bye to your belly fat which is sitting in a chair. Easy and simple, one yoga exercise. Because you will be doing this exercise early in the morning on an empty stomach, so you must warm up before any exercise. And I'm going to teach you a simple and easy warm-up which you have to do just sitting in a chair. Let's do it together. You have to take your hands up like this and one leg up at a time. Swing your arms, take it back and forth. Try and lift your leg as high as you can. Now let's swing sideways. Keep your stomach tucked in at all times and you can feel your core muscles tighten. And that's exactly what the purpose is going to be of the exercise which I'm going to teach you. Well done with the warm-up. Let's proceed to the exercise. First, I'm going to teach you the beginner-friendly level which you can actually do sitting in a chair. All you have to do is just find a chair which is sturdy enough, comfortable enough, and then we are going to do two steps. One which is going to target our upper belly and lower belly, and the second step is actually going to target your side belly fat. For step one, we are going to keep one arm distance like this and we are going to have our toes pointed downwards just like this. And now we are going to inhale completely, look up, and then we are going to come down while exhaling. Keep your toes pointed. And now again, inhale completely and exhale. Let's do it together. Now let's do step 2, which is actually going to target your side belly, which is often a cause of concern. For that you have to stretch your legs wide just like this, point your toes out, and now we're going to go all the way up. Inhale and come like this and try and touch your toes. Exhale when you go down. Now back again, and now let's do it together. And now for the advanced version, there's no chair needed because we want to feel all the more stress around our belly area, especially the upper belly, lower belly and the side belly. And this exercise is the one which actually led me to get rid of my love handles. For this, the step 1, you have to stand straight with your legs apart, and you have to now go up, inhale, and come down slowly, exhale, and try and touch the floor. That's it. Let's do it together. And now I'm going to show you step 2, for which you have to keep your legs further wide apart and you have to try and touch your toes when you exhale. Then again go up sideways and inhale. Let's do it together. You just have to make sure that your feet are firmly on the ground, your core is stuck tight and your spine is straight. Whenever you come up, your spine should be straight. Let's do it. Inhale, go down and exhale. Well done, all of you. Whoa, now this one exercise sure did it. I can feel it all around my belly area, especially my upper belly, lower belly, and the love handles. Now, you want to lose weight, you have to do clean eating. You have to practice 3 main meals and 2 healthy snacks a day. Make it a habit. And don't forget to drink plenty of water. But if you're looking to join a customized paid diet plan, you can contact me on the numbers given below. You will be given a diet plan according to your cultural preferences, your likes, dislikes, your work timings, everything included. So if you're looking for just the perfect plan to help you lose weight and get back in shape, you can join my weight loss program. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.